Okay, so here we are at the, this is the T-brick shed. This is the first rainwater collection system I did, and it's sort of fallen to disrepair. You can see right here I've got that, it's fallen off there. Coming down here to our tanks. This has failed, screen's broken. I've got a better solution for doing this input anyways. But the biggest thing is, these are 4 IBC totes, they're tied together. And I tried using these IBC fittings to connect my irrigation pipe to the totes, and you see they've all cracked. So I think the best solution is to use a flexible coupling. Those seem to hold up the best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and replace. Yeah, see that one's cracked as well. And this one's already fallen off down here. So yeah, I'm going to replace those couplings. Okay, so I've got this reattached to the downspout. Here's my first flush diverter. It's all sealed up again. Okay, I've got this. You can see that. I've got this double screened. And then these are all connected again. All my tanks are connected. And it seems to be leak free. Alright, just need some rain now.